It is a lesson, it is a motivation to learn.
Whatever it is,
Ah.
it's God's grace.
God's grace.
I am thankful to God
Ah.
and to Foundation for Aviation and Sustainable Tourism.
Ah.
Who has given me an opportunity. I have enjoyed my job
Yeah.
wherever I work.
हाँ,
I've enjoyed.
ये असली सीक्रेट तो ये है जो आपने अब बोला कि दैट यू हैव एंजॉयड योर जॉब.
Enjoyed.
हाँ, बिकॉज
Speaking,
Ah.
I enjoyed my life there also.
गुड है राइट.
There also.
हाँ हाँ
And nobody else except Meglani
हाँ
was there.
Ah.
Maybe one or two more persons were there.
हाँ.
I remained there for 5 years.
Oh, I see.
And that I consider the golden period of my life.
गोल्डन पीरियड है यू. आगे तो चिंता. आगे तो चिंता 100 से ज्यादा आगे.
It's full of stress.
Very isolated slot. Generally, Meglanis are very occupied, and we don't find we come for meeting etc. But today was an ideal slot, and I think I am very blessed that to get an audience with you. Right? Thank you. At times, I find some unique things which my circle will appreciate. I capture that and present that. Few days back, I had captured one very unique skill of Pitman shorthand, which Meghalani Sahib were using. That was 1 minute video I shared, and that got viral, and that is still getting viral. And everybody was telling Meghalani Sahib this, Meghalani Sahib that. He's devoted, he dedicated, yaron ka yaar. And then we are everybody who knows him, he knows him. And then they said कि बाबा साहब इस पर पूरी एक वीडियो करो, spend more time. I said yes, I will do that. So this is a result of that. I had come for some work at Safdarjung Airport. These are you will enjoy these visuals. I had come to capture this unique map, and after that I will straight go to fast office and spend some time with Meghalani ji. Okay. समटाइम ट्रेजर हंट के लिए हम काम करते रहते हैं एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट की हम बात करते हैं. देयर आर थिंग्स लाइक दैट. ओल्ड हैबिट्स डाई हार्ड. टुडे आई वाज सरप्राइज टू सी हु डजंट नो Meghalani साहब, ओल्ड वेटरन. एंड जब दिनों हमारा जब कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में चाइल्डहुड होता था उस टाइम Meghalani साहब अडल्टहुड में थे कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के. सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट. Today I happens to sit near his desk, and he started making some notes, and then I was astonished to see the kind of forms, letters he is using, and then I realized that these are the Pitman symbols or icons or dictation, what we call is okay. So Meghalani sahab, I know that you are old veteran of aviation, and you are continuing in the aviation in the fast after retirement. And as we were speaking before, that you started your career in 1960.
Yes, I started my career
Ah.
in July 1960
Ah.
and joined Amitabh Textile Mills at Dehradun.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah. Dehradun se, huh?
Dehradun.
Ah.
Then I shifted to a government department, Forest Research Institute.
Huh. Okay.
Then thereafter I shifted to ONGC Dehradun.
Acha.
But unfortunately my father was not keeping well and I had to resign and come back to
Delhi.
Delhi and Panipat.
Acha, Panipat.
Panipat. Then Delhi I looked for a private job as a stenographer. So I got it.
Right.
So then here itself I tried to prepare for UPSC examination. And I qualified that for senior stenographer. Thereafter I was posted to in planning commission where I worked for more than 12 years.
Right.
From there, I shifted to Airports Authority of India because at that time, chances of promotion in government departments were very few.
Right.
So I shifted to Airports Authority of India, which was a new organization, relatively new organization, and I worked there for 25 years.
No, but you shifted to International Airport Authority, not Airport
Yes,
Authority,
yes,
right?
sir.
And then you came on deputation, or you came on a fresh appointment?
No, I kept not on deputation, but I kept my lien in the planning commission for about 6 months.
Okay.
So after 6 months, I was told by Chief of Personnel, Airports Authority of India, to leave the Leon
अच्छा,
and join here.
Get absorbed.
Yes, get absorbed here. So I got absorbed here on permanent basis, regular basis. So for 25 years I continued my service and retired as additional GMSN.
Right.
Thereafter, I joined Airport Council International.
अच्छा, okay. Okay, you were there also, right?
Yes, I worked there for 5 years.
Asia chapter.
Yes,
good.
I worked there for 25 years. So,
अच्छा, okay.
About 5 years.
5 years से, right. वो श्रीवास्तव साहब के पे श्रीवास्तव होते थे?
Yes, exactly.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
5 years or so. Then Mr. Bathura one day called me and he brought me
to fast. Right.
And since 2008, January 2008, I am working with fast.
Fantastic.
Continue.
So this is a glorious service record of 65 years of service. You started service in 1960.
Right.
And touch wood, with the grace of God, you are continuing in that spirit. It is a lesson, it is a motivation to learn.
Whatever it is God's grace.
God's grace.
I am thankful to God and to Foundation for Aviation and Sustainable Tourism who has given me an opportunity to work for such a long time after retirement from Airports Authority of India.
Right.
I retired in 2001 and then since then I am working. I have been working.
Meglani Sahab, doing job is one thing, but finding a pleasure to do job is another thing. And continuous, because we know that while doing job, learning is a continuous process. And you are able to cope up with the time. आपने शॉर्टनस सीखी, मैनुअल टाइपराइटर पर काम करा, फिर कंप्यूटर आ गए.
On the other side, I went for academics also. I did graduation in the evening classes.
Right.
Then I did post graduation in economics from Delhi University.
All right.
And then thereafter, when I joined Airports Authority of India, for keeping in view my career, I did postgraduate diploma in this personal management and industrial relations.
Right.
So and I have enjoyed my job wherever I work. I've enjoyed.
ये असली सीक्रेट तो ये है जो आपने अब बोला कि that you have enjoyed your job. Because
even in the past also.
Yes.
For after retirement, just 24 years.
Just
18 years in fast and 5 years in Asia. After retirement, I worked for 24 years.
It's great. It's a great achievement. बिल्कुल right. हम तो बहुत सारे we have got very common friends जो मेगलानी साहब को भी जानते हैं, मेरे को भी जानते हैं. जब बात होती है तो अच्छा ये मेगलानी साहब वही हैं? हाँ, मैंने कहा मेगलानी साहब तो वही है. Many people don't believe कि दूसरा मेगलानी, मैं कहा जी वही है. And you see, and you have maintained your feature, everything same, intact, and I'm very happy to.
God's grace and
बिल्कुल right.
Friends and wishes.
Right. So good, Meglani Sahab. Today I thought that we must capture these moments, and then this is a lesson. This is a learning for the younger generation also, that working continuously, consistently for a trade, for a profession, that gives you some kind of console.
You know, I had an opportunity when I was working with the Airports Authority of India. I had an opportunity to be posted in Libya for 5 years.
Oh, acha.
In Libya for 5 years. Which is considered not a very good place.
Right.
Normally. But I was posted there, and really speaking, I enjoyed my life there also.
Good, right.
There also. And nobody else except Meglani was there. Maybe 1 or 2 more persons were there. I remained there for 5 years.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, spent 5 years.
Libya,
where I got an opportunity to visit nearby places, all and some European countries also.
बहुत बढ़िया,
So
good है.
it was really enjoyable,
हाँ,
and that I consider the golden period of my life.
golden period of your life, Libya, right?
Libya.
But I say every day is a golden day,
Golden.
and because you are working so happily with dedication and devotion, and that is a learning. I said, because when people see you in the first seminar, and then when I tell everybody that for everything behind is Miglani Saab, then
आप देखो ना सेमिनार में कितना कोऑर्डिनेशन वर्क कितना ज्यादा है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल राइट.
लोग इकट्ठा करना,
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
लोग ना आए उसकी चिंता,
आगे तो चिंता,
करना
आगे तो चिंता, 100 से ज्यादा आगे.
full of stress, I would say, full of stress.
But that stress is never seen on your face. I am very happy, and we pray to God that you be happy as you always have been. Right, sir? Thank you very much, and we will meet again. This video capture 7-8 minutes will be golden for anybody who will see it. Right, sir? Right. Thank you very much. I am very happy today. We can get a very isolated slot. Generally, Melanis are very occupied, and we don't find we come for meeting, etc. But today was an ideal slot, and I think I am very blessed that to get an audience with you. Right. Thank you.